How to fix Instagram Ingress timeout problem. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's the first step. And go back, open the apps manager, go to apps, go to Instagram, click here on force stop, go to notifications, and then here make sure that all notifications are enabled from the first one to the last one. Go back, click on the storage, click to clear the data, and click on clear cache. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.